In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form, specifically focusing on inserting a checkbox field and customizing it to fit your needs. This process is straightforward, but I'll be guiding you through each part to ensure you feel confident doing it on your own. First, let's begin by setting up our form. This step is crucial, as it provides a foundation for all the form elements you're planning to add. Open your preferred form builder tool, which might be part of a website builder, a dedicated app, or even a plugin you're using. Once it's open, you'll typically see options to create a new form. Choose that, and you'll usually be prompted to name your form. Pick a name that clearly describes its purpose, like newsletter sign up or customer feedback, to help keep you organized as you potentially deal with multiple forms in the future. Once your form is created, it's time to add fields. Focus first on inserting a checkbox field. Checkbox fields are an excellent way to provide users with multiple options they can select, allowing for greater flexibility in their responses. In your form builder, look for an option to add or insert fields, often labeled as something like Add Field or Elements. From the list of available fields, select the checkbox option. Checkbox fields might be presented under a variety of names, such as multiple choice or simply checkbox. After you've added the checkbox field, you'll want to customize it. In most form builders, you can easily tailor each field by clicking on it, bringing up a menu or sidebar with various options. Start by giving your checkbox field a descriptive label. This label tells your users what they're selecting, so clarity is key. For example, if it's a preferences form for newsletters, your label might be "Select the topics you're interested in." Under the field customization options, you can usually provide the choices or options your users can select. Click the button or link to add each choice, entering text that clearly describes the option. For instance, under your newsletter preferences, you might include choices like technology updates, weekly roundup, and exclusive offers. Beyond merely listing choices, consider additional customization features your builder may offer. You can often reorder or delete options, and sometimes even adjust the layout to suit your form's aesthetic. For example, you might show choices in a single column or spread them in a grid depending on your style preference and space on the web page. Now that the checkbox field is customized to your requirements, you're ready to finalize. Look over the entire form once more to ensure everything appears as intended and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, make sure you save your changes so your hard work